Season 6 Episode 15. Tamir Brown's second clone crashes a car into a restaurant/arrested/grounded. This video was inspired by the new Plotagon 2011 and Danny Animate.
Today, I'm going to steal a car. Okay, let's steal this car. Okay, let's make this car drive fast. Ha 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 ha. I love going fast in this car. Oh no! This car is going out of control. I better avoid. Oh no! It's too late. I'm gonna crash. Alright, I finished my food. Now time to go home. Oh no! Oh no! A car crashed into a restaurant.
Tamir Brown second clone, you are under arrest for crashing the car into a restaurant. Get in my police car right now.
Wah!
When Tamir Brown's second clone arrived to jail.
This is your cell, and you will be staying here for 4 weeks. We have some visitors.
Tamir. Gail. Luke. I cannot believe you crashed the car into a restaurant. That's it. You're grounded until you get out of jail.
Washington.
Hey, thanks for watching.